मौका मिलने से पकड़ के देखो। So you see, normally you see it do not come out that easily, but because it's getting inside, you can hear the sound. क्या sound है?
Freezing.
It's like a dried up. But then you have to see ये भी गिर गया. हम सारा गिरा देंगे. Then I will give you at your finger so that you can everybody enjoy one piece of it. How to hold it. देखो ये भी निकल गया. I did not do anything. Just by varying the temperature, the cells become frozen and the cells automatically disconnect from the body. ऐसा भी हमारा भी कर सकते हैं. ये फिंगर को हम लगा देंगे थोड़ा देर, ये फ्रीज हो जाता है. इसका सेल सारा फ्रीज हो जाता है. Then I can remove this finger like a. क्या बताएंगे? It is a frozen. Just beat it, गिर जाता है. Right? Okay, let me try. थोड़ा ज़्यादा है लिक्विड, आर भी करेंगे. So then everybody will get one plate. Definitely I'll give you. Don't worry. You want to know what? हम लोग जब because during my research we mostly work on low temperatures. So समर में ना आइसक्रीम तो बाहर नहीं जाता है. वो पाउडर.
इधर देव. नहीं मैं लेके आऊंगा. ये तो जिंदा है. अच्छे से नहीं हुआ.
That's why we say na, if you are choked, you keep pumping the blood. This is the exact principle of it. If you reduce the temperature, it just frozen and you can bring back them live and they will become live leaves.
ओके नाउ आई समझा. लो टेम्परेचर पे लाइव कैसे रहता है. इधर पीछे जीवांशु, इधर पीछे देना. ओए ये रही.
Bro. Another important thing that
ये ले. Hey.
You can clean this room in any way, vacuum cleaner, सब चीज लगा के, but you cannot clean the room perfect to the zero dust level. So ये क्या करता है? Because it's liquid and it is boiling, you pour it, you nicely wipe off the dust nicely, and it will clean up such a way that there is a 0 ppm dust on that surface. Cleaning के लिए कभी यूज करते हैं, देखेंगे? You see here that of course I can't show you, but if I have a dust, it will beautifully.
टेबल पे सर वाइट ब्लैक बोर्ड बोर्ड सर.
कुछ होता है तो, but ये भी प्रोज होता है. You can see this. नहीं होता है. You can see this beautifully. Now you won't be having frozen dust are there on the surface. Just I can remove it easily. It makes it to be very hard process by the temperature difference. You can see. You see how fast it just wipe it off. And now whenever that one goes downside also will go. Now we can give it to remaining people very fast. So जो fast के पास तो fast करना. Actually my idea was different experiment. Right? That experiment not done. Ready? Okay.
अरे ये क्या है? पहली बार देखा.
ये boiling है. That's what is happening now. Wait. Wait and watch and then वो बढ़ेगा. Wait जाएगा.
Let me catch the video.
दूध खरीदने से दूसरा बॉटल मिल जाएगा. चिंता मत करो. क्योंकि ये इसका ऊपर जो था, because it has the time transformation. So you see inside water will along with the ice both exist space. You see, because it takes time, because ज़्यादा पानी रखा है ना, that's why you have to control it. It takes the temperature transfer from surface to interior, so interior become liquid, surface become ice. This is naturally happen in lakes during winter in if you go to Korea and the Antarctica side. So lake freezes on surfaces, so you can walk across the lake, and then this all nice experience that you can have it. So this is principally, it is frozen on the surfaces inside liquid. So I can walk on this freely. I can't do anything. It's just so hard, it's frozen. Of course, you can see now the ice pieces are breaking inside. So थोड़ा रखने से ice बन जाता है. Now तुम्हारा बनाना क्या है? पकड़ो, catch.
Oh, it's so hard. टूट गया. ए दिखाना दिवांशु.
अरे थोड़ा सा हो गया.
इधर दिखा. अबे टूट ही नहीं रहा ये.
This is lithium barium copper oxide, which has a superconductor around 152 Kelvin. What is the nitrogen temperature?
77.
Kelvin. So when it is put inside the nitrogen, it will become superconductor. Abhi dekho, I'm just at room temperature. This is my small magnet. Ab to believe karna it magnet. So how do I make it convince you magnet? Because somewhere I have to bring the metal part of it. So let me bring my mobile. So if you see here, you can see it is stuck.
Yeah.
Correct? You can say it's not magic. It's just very simple magnetic attraction. लेकिन इसमें नहीं होता है क्योंकि ये तो प्लास्टिक है. So if this is natural normal system, इसका ऊपर पकड़ नहीं पकड़ता है, right? You see here, nothing doing. So you just put it, it will just slip away because it's just like a normal material. Nothing happens. So I just put it on it, it will just sit without any problem. ऐसा ही है. But once this block 1 becomes superconductor, क्या होगा? The magnet will lift up. देखेंगे वो बाद में अभी उसका डाल के फिर ये हम खेलेंगे तब तक. Because we need to generate the temperature. So until then we do that. So because we handle multiple times, I don't mind how to use. I mean, I really know how to use it. But if you really first time handling, you should not touch it directly. I have one big experience even now. These 2 points are cold burning. Cold burning kabhi suna hai? It will be exactly like a
Hot burning.
fire burn, but it will not solve very easily. एक बार cold burn हो गया, your hair also will not grow. अगर किसी का पसंद नहीं तो उसका डाल दो, वो पूरा रुक जाता है. Okay, but don't take that, then you will be in jail. So don't do that exercise. Okay. So we are just now trying to see a beautiful movement of this sun.
Oh, nice.
भगवान दर्शन. आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा है? Because we just put everything from room temperature, it is always boiled. So that will take some time to settle down. तब तक हम इसका क्या लेंगे? देखो ये boil होता है जी. Because whenever you put high temperature, that's the rod breaking ना. ये जो iron rod का shape बदलता है ना. After doing they immediately put it under the water. This is called fast quenching process. वो shape ऐसा ही रह जाता, so it will not change naturally. Now it is beautifully burning. You can all see how it's burning it. It just boils. But make sure don't drop it on anybody.
थोड़ा सावधानी हाथ दे.
अच्छा तुम्हारा पकड़ का मैंने ले लिया ना. अरे एक बार बनाना है क्या?
अरे भाई ज़्यादा छो मत मेरा दिमाग फट
बनाना.
Don't touch it, yeah. फाइलिंग हो गया लेकिन इन लोग एक बार देखेंगे हाँ देखो हाउ इट्स फाइलिंग
टच मत करो
लग जाएगा हाँ
ये सुपर कंडक्टिंग मेटल
Okay, wipe. You can nicely wipe here. Don't worry about it. Wipe it and take just. No, these are like frozen water because here.
Hey, light. Amte, the torch on करना. It's rotating actually.
एक काम कर उसको लेके जाऊँ मिडिल में
नहीं रुक जा.
आइला जादू
अरे गिर जाएगा. Nice.
उधर उसके रोटेट कर रहा है ये कलर का दिख रहा है
Please stay on the top side. Yeah. Okay. Right? Okay. Let's see.
टेबल पे आ जा
Wait and see. Wait. This is the one good dust collector.